So it feels as if Cardano has been consolidating forever at this same level, but what needs to happen here for Cardano to really break out here? And if it doesn't, we're going to continue to trade sideways. So found an interesting article, just kind of read up on it, want to bring you up to speed on it. Make sure you guys hit the like button down there, subscribe. Let me know how you feel about ADA right now. I'm always interested to hear what you think down below in the comment section. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping back here by the channel too. So let me take you inside here. Cardano to continue consolidating unless it clears this crucial level. So we're going to talk about that. So it feels as if Cardano has been right around this 38 to 40 cent level for a long time. And if you're guessing that, you're right, because the altcoin has been kind of consolidating right between these levels here for quite some time. We have not seen the big boost in Cardano that we saw in other cryptocurrencies here the first month and a half of 2023. Now, the chances of ADA showing a recovery in the following trading, weeks to follow here are slim. But and by the way, consolidation isn't bad. But if we do cross over this one key level, we could see a little bit of a breakout here for Cardano. So ADA recently broke through several key resistance levels, including that 38 cent level. After it surpassed that level, the coin went up to about 41 cents, if you remember, just briefly, where the bulls could not maintain it. They couldn't defend that price level. ADA was trading at around 40 cents at last check. We'll take a look at it real quick here together. Yeah, it's right there at 40 cents again. So it comes up to that 41 cent level and just continues to get rejected. Now, the volume is up. We're seeing a lot of volume come in, 356 million in the last 24 hours. Cardano still ranked number 7. Still one that I love long-term. It's just not a fast mover, right? But I know everybody wants to hear about price. Everybody wants to hear about the potential of us breaking out of this kind of line of resistance. Well, here it is. Clearing the 42 cent price mark can help us really get moving here. And again, every time we get close to that 42 cent mark, come up on 41 cents, we get rejected. Come back down to 38. Come back up to 41, come back down to 38. So we're looking to get past that 42 cent price point, and then we have some room to run with Cardano here. And the Cardano price is trading above the 20-day simple moving average, or SMA, as buyers are driving price momentum in the market right now. Additionally, ADA was above the 200-day SMA line, indicating increased bullishness and a rise in price over the next trading session. We just haven't seen that big breakout yet for Cardano. Remember this, though. Back in 2021, Cardano was the last big mover. It was kind of delayed after everything had run up. Then Cardano set its all-time high, well over $3. And again, we're back down at 40 cents. But as we say all the time, providing us a ton of opportunities here for an 8 to 10x, maybe even 12x potential here from current price levels to where we expect prices to go next bull cycle. So Cardano, I think, will continue to see a lot of new partnerships like we've seen here. And it's not always about the price, right? It's about on-chain. And the development that we've been seeing happen with Cardano has been second to none. And that is why my bullish thesis is still the same. It's why Cardano's the third largest holding behind Bitcoin and Ethereum for me. Not financial advice, of course, but just telling you how I see things shaking out and why I keep a well-diversified portfolio, because you only need a few big winners to get your way to financial freedom. And I think that's what we're all searching for. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you. Bye.